As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best price on tools and parts I use in today's video. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for doing that. Today's video, it's just a quick overview video. This is an Acura MDX, and it's going to spend about 2 seconds just describing what's going on. It's a rear strut. Basically, you have your rear strut sitting back here, and all you gotta do, raise the car, jack right there, you put a jack stand up under there, and we come here and you have 2 bolts holding our rear strut in. You got one right here, and then you have one sitting right here. And guys, this is a simple project. All you do is you remove both your fasteners, make sure you have a jack stands under the car, and then you just basically pull this thing out, put it back in. I imagine the rear struts calls for like 0.4 hours. That's like 24 minutes. I could be wrong, it could be like 0.7 hours or something like that. It's a really quick, not that intimidating of a job unless it is very rusty. Then make sure you use some PB Blaster, penetrating lubricant. But we're not replacing this. Just saw it here. It's a quick thing I can show you. So rear struts on an Acura MDX. Very simple, very simple. So again, this is an overview. I'm not advertising it as a full DIY, so don't hate the video, please like it, because I took the time to just show you what's going on. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.